Hi guys, so spending time here we'll be talking about the various branches of a thoracic sympathetic trunk. Branches of thoracic sympathetic trunk. So it was an exam question, and the exam question in full was name and briefly describe the branches of the thoracic sympathetic trunk. Okay, so these are the branches here, but we'll put it in writing, right? So when we see any branch, we'll always come back. So that the thoracic sympathetic trunk is part of the autonomic nervous system, which consists of what? Chains of ganglia located along each side of vertebral column. So it provides sympathetic innervation to various thoracic and abdominal organs. Okay, so what is the branches? We have the gray Rami Communicantes. Gray Rami Communicantes. This one connects what? The sympathetic nervous system to the spinal nerves. This one they just said, okay, name and describe. So let's be looking at the in-depth description. So say that they carry postganglionic sympathetic fibers to the spinal nerves, which will now distribute them to the skin and the blood vessels. Then let's look at the white Rami communicantes. We say that this branch they connect the spinal nerves to the sympathetic trunk. So they carry preganglionic what? Sympathetic fibers from the spinal nerves to the sympathetic ganglia. Alright. The great splanchnic. Great splanchnic. Is it here? It's not indicated there. Let me see this picture. Yeah, great splanchnic nerve. Alright. So hence we'll use this image to illustrate. We see that it arises from T5 to T9 ganglia, provides sympathetic innervation to the upper abdominal organs, including the stomach, the liver, and the pancreas. Alright. The lesser splanchnic. Well, lesser splanchnic is not indicated in any of the pictures, but let's just read about it. So see, this one arises from the T10 to T11 ganglia. It innervates the mid-abdominal organs, including the small intestine and part of the large intestine. Then have the least splanchnic nerve. So it's from T12 ganglia, supplies the lower abdominal organs, particularly the kidneys and upper ureters. Cardiac nerves. Yeah, this is cardiac plexus. Okay, should be cardiac nerve though. Alright, so just like the name implies, it provides sympathetic innervation to the heart, increase heart rate, force of contractions, and all of that. They will have pulmonary nerves, also known as pulmonary plexus. They supply the lungs, leading to bronchodilation to increase the airflows and all of that. Okay, so these are the branches of the thoracic sympathetic trunk. Their list and descriptions.